How to fix YouTube error 400 in your iPhone. If you are having this problem while opening your YouTube application, then to solve this video is for you. First of all, open your settings on your device and go through the general. From there, hit on the software update and make sure that your system is up to date. If any updates are available, then please do update your system. Once you do that, go back to the general page and then hit on iPhone stories. From here, scroll down and search for YouTube. Now hit on the Offload app and then reinstall the YouTube application. Once you do that, it will take some time to reinstall the application. Once it is installed, log into your YouTube and you are good to go. Your problem will be solved. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.